exactly as they are. This is a screwdriver in my hand. Yeah, they look interesting. I like them. 3000 Kelvin. Look how they turn off. Turn them on. Off. Nice connection. This is a nice clamp. It's gonna be here. Quick connection. Quick connect and disconnect. Nice. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow, it's so powerful. Wow. It's really blinding. Okay, now the white balance is adjusted. If this thing looks good, everything will look good. So now it's at 3000 Kelvin with the new light, and all the LED rows are working. And this is my hand. And I can switch to the old lights. Wow, this is really so powerful. Now it's only, I think the desk lights look more natural, I don't know. So this is the desk light, the existing light. And now it's the new light. The same position, kind of. I don't know, I will check also later by myself, but the new light is more pleasing to see because it's 3000 Kelvin. From this side, from the left side, it looks nice. And this is my hand. I don't know, which one you think looks better? This is the unicorn on 4000 Kelvin. You check them and tell me which one looks better. Maybe this one looks better actually. Wow, it's interesting. The colors are more bright on the unicorn.